Hey fitness fam, what's up today? We've got an incredible upper body workout routine that will help you sculpt and strengthen your arms, chest, and back. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gym goer, this routine will challenge you and leave you feeling stronger. So, let's dive right in. Warm up. Before we tackle those muscles, let's get the blood flowing. Start with some dynamic stretches and movements to warm up those shoulders, arms, and chest. Arm circles, shoulder rolls, and a few sets of push-ups will prepare your upper body for the challenge ahead. 1. Push-up variations. Let's begin with everyone's favorite, push-ups. They're fantastic for building upper body strength. We'll start with traditional push-ups for 45 seconds, maintaining a straight line from head to heels. Then, transition into wide arm push-ups for another 45 seconds, targeting the chest muscles. Remember to engage your core throughout. Exercise 2. Dumbbell shoulder press. Now, grab your dumbbells. We're moving on to shoulder presses. Stand tall, core tight, and press those dumbbells up toward the ceiling, fully extending your arms. Lower them back down with control. Let's do 3 sets of 12 reps each. Exercise 3. Bent over rows. Time to focus on the back muscles. Grab a set of dumbbells again. Hinge at the hips, keep your back straight, and perform bent over rows. Pull the weights towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Feel that burn. 3 sets of 12 reps here as well. Exercise 4. Bicep curls. Who doesn't love a good bicep pump? Pick up those dumbbells and let's do some bicep curls. Keep your elbows close to your body, curl the weights up toward your shoulders, and slowly lower them back down. Feel the tension in those biceps. Again, 3 sets of 12 reps. Exercise 5. Tricep dips. For our final exercise, find a sturdy surface for tricep dips. Lower your body by bending your elbows until they're at a 90-degree angle, then press back up, engaging those triceps. Let's aim for 3 sets of 15 reps. Workout structure. For each exercise, aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, ensuring proper form and controlled movements. Take short breaks in between sets to catch your breath, but keep that momentum going. Tips and motivation. Remember, it's not just about the workout. It's about form and consistency. Focus on quality over quantity. And if you're just starting, don't get discouraged. Progress takes time, so listen to your body and challenge yourself gradually. Cool down. As we wrap up, it's crucial to cool down those muscles. Stretch your arms, shoulders, and chest to prevent any post-workout soreness. Incorporate some gentle yoga poses or stretching exercises to aid recovery. That's a wrap on our Upper Body 5 workout. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this routine and subscribe for more fitness content. Don't forget to comment down below to let us know what else you'd like to see. Until next time, stay motivated and keep working towards those fitness goals. Remember, you've got this. See you in the next video. Stay fit, stay healthy.